Within days, Australians will get to see the first of the RAF's new Joint Strike Fighters just months after the jet's noisiest critics told an inquiry it was a jackass of all trades and masterful of none. Two members of the Air Power Australia group went on to tell the Senate committee the aircraft was a broken and obsolete design, unsuitable for modern combat. The reality, say Australian fighter pilots and senior members of the ADF with intimate knowledge of the JSF's capability, is vastly different. RAF Chief, Air Marshal Leo Davies, tells the strategist that while the JSF, now officially the F-35 Lightning LL, has had its problems, it could never have got to the stage it's reached if its critics were right. It has flown over 70,000 flight hours, more than 200 jets are flying, the United States Marine Corps has reached initial operational capability IOC, the U.S. Air Force has gone IOC, the U.S. Navy is about to go IOC, says Air Marshal Davies. It's incongruous to me to hear people suggest it doesn't work. That can't happen. Is it at its peak war fighting design and software load at the moment? No, it has got one more step to come. The JSF remains a work in progress, but by the time the RAF buys its aircraft, the next design and software upgrade should be complete and the F-35S will be significantly more capable than Hornets or Super Hornets. Air Marshal Davies says the results of the intense Red Flag air combat exercise in the US absolutely cement our view that this is the right aeroplane for Australia. US media is talking about a 15:1 kill ratio in favor of the F-35 against older generation fighters in the exercise in which RAF air crews took part. Though some commentators have raised questions about the significance of that figure. The officer responsible for the Australian end of the US-led multinational JSF program says the aircraft will revolutionize the way the nation fights wars far into the future. The head of the RAF's JSF Capability and Sustainment Group, Air Vice Marshal Lee Gordon, says four factors give the F-35 fifth-generation edge stealth, sensors, fusion, and data sharing. Two factors stand out. One is the phenomenally powerful cutting-edge radar. The other is the Distributor Aperture System, or DAS, cameras which give the pilot a 360-degree infrared view of the world. The third element is the way all of that information is fused together to give the pilot unparalleled situational awareness.